Yes! 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 Good morning, welcome to the first ever hunting vlog. So, right now it is 4:20 in the morning. Let's get ready to hit the road. Oh, wow, I look like a mess.
Oh, Mrs. Winnie's in the bed. Oh, my goodness.
I have to put this big box, this deer feeder, in the truck. And I've underestimated how heavy it was. All right, the truck is loaded up. We are ready to hit the road. Pulling up to Busey's. All right, let me give you a little Bucky's haul here. Gonna start off with the usual extra large sweet tea, unsweet tea, full of ice. A must. Then going with a brisket egg taco, sausage, egg, and cheese taco. And because I've been on a health kick, this is like 48 days locked in, fruit cup for the road, pineapple, cantaloupe, grapes. Delicioso on the road. Let's go. All right, we have made it officially. After a long 7-hour drive, we are at the cabin. So I'm gonna get everything unloaded, hang out for a little bit, and this evening we're gonna go do some scouting, see if we can roost some birds, hear some gobbles off the limbs, and see what we can get into. But all right, we just pulled up to the property over here. I'm trying to get some eyes down here in this bottom field. We've seen some turkeys down here in the past and stuff like that, but trying to find some to roost because they'll be right there in the morning. So if I can roost them where they get in the tree, then that's a win for us. I seen a coyote back here a minute ago. I'm gonna go up on the hill to Joe's house and see if we can get a better view down here on these birds. All right, we got us a game plan. Tomorrow morning, we're going to sneak in around the back. We got a sweet little spot set up. We know roughly where they're roosted at. Joe lives here, so he sees them all the time. We're going to get in there with our avian X decoys, all in that muddy camo, and get saucy on them. It's going to be dirty. I'm pumped about it. We'll see you guys in the morning. It's also raining tonight, so it's going to be a little moist when we're out there. So hopefully that rain cuts off before the sun comes up. Chef's kiss. We'll see you guys in the morning. Downpoured last night. I felt the rain. I heard it on the roof almost the entire night. But it's starting to let up, and Apple Weather says it's about to let up here in the next hour. Sunrise is also in exactly 1 hour, so might have to go sit out in the rain a little bit in the dark to make this play out. But birds are going to be wet. They're going to get out in the sun. They got to get out in the sun to dry them feathers. And they're going to do that in the fields. Should come right to us. Waiting on Joe to wake up. Classic. Dude never wakes up on time. Joe is awake.
What's up?
We're going to sit in the truck and wait this rain out a little bit. And then we're going to, once it lightens up, then we're going to take off. Settled in here. Got our decoys out in the front. Just waiting to hear a gobbler come off the roost. It poured rain last night. There was no way we were going to cross that creek. That's over there next to them. But got out here a little later just because we weren't going to sit in the downpouring rain and do nothing. Need the sun to poke through that way they can come out and dry off a little bit.
These are decoys.
just look, when you're looking back on the deck, just look down towards the... We come all the way out in the woods, and they come knocking on the back door. I called my wife, and she said, yep, they're strutting right behind the house in the field,
So we're gonna go to the house, park and make a big loop around, and come down on these birds, and hopefully we can put something together. This Jake is hanging out like 15 yards from us. We need him to get out of here. But that's the plan now. Okay. All right, so from where we were at this morning, you could see on here, we were up here, and those birds came out, and we watched them like that, and they crossed. Right now, we can hear them gobble. They're somewhere down in this little area right here. And then we're gonna come down and probably push up into these trees right here, hoping they're by this pond bank or something. But Hunt Stan's got a pretty good clear thing. We know where all these trees are at. It's a good little plan. We're gonna see what we can do.
If we go up to the pond bank, we can kill them. We pop up over the pond bank.
Just strut.
They're right in the backyard. They're right in the backyard. What we need to do is get over top when they go down in there.
They're coming down like this. So annoying. Alright, well, we roosted these birds up. They ended up flying up on the roost super early. Like 45 minutes earlier than usual. We're gonna come right back in here tomorrow morning. We should fly off the roost right where we saw them this evening. Alright, we're tucked into our spot here this morning. Those toms are just gobbling their heads off right on the roost right now. He's probably gobbled 15 times this morning. They're about 150 yards away from us. We got our decoys set out here. Ready for them to pitch right off right into front of these decoys. Hopefully this little strutter from Avian X gets their attention. We decided to go on a little side mission and just to check to see if those birds were there. And Joe got him one. Look at the hooks on this one. Boom! Hammers. And I missed. There was two and I missed. Joe got his though. That's all that matters. We'll be back out here later, but we got one. We'll take it.
We do have some footage of this bird yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Got one feather missing.
Yeah.
But he's a good looking bird, heavy bird.
Let's go, dude. All right. One down, one to go. The battle keeps on fighting. Doesn't even make any sense. We keep fighting though. Okay, guys. I have decided to do a side quest. And I have found a Tom. And he is just strutting in the middle of the field right now. Just getting dirty on it. I'm gonna watch him I'd like to watch him for 10-15 minutes and get a direction on where he's going, then make a play on if he has a hen with her or not. I can't really tell. I don't see a hen, but typically they don't strut like that unless they got one right there next to them. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I think we're gonna have to crawl up. Do a little check. You guys are attached to the gun. Yes! 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 Yeah, baby! Yeah, he's flopping. Let's go. Roll them, baby. Dude. Yes, sir. Yes. Boom. Solo mission. Oh, man, he walked right into me. Right into me. He was up in the field up there. Ended up just strutting. I thought he was with a hen. Man, he was by himself. Yes. Oh, after this morning, that sucked. That really hurt missing. I was fired up. I was mad about that, but made up for it. Nice Tom right here. Yeah. Awesome. What a... Oh, I can't wait to show you guys this thing. Just give me a minute. Oh, yeah, man. He's got some oats on him. Oh, yeah. What a bird. Look at this. Let me get him all propped up here. Wow. Yeah, he's got some sharp hooks on him, that's for sure. What a bird. Missouri Eastern done. This is my second one that I've ever killed. Man, this hunt means a lot more to me than y'all may seem to think. I missed last year, didn't get to tag out at all. And then missing this morning, man, that really sucked. But everything comes together. God's got a plan. I just cannot get over how pretty these birds are, and just these birds especially are so smart and just keen to everything around them that literally you have to have a perfect plan for it to come together. And that's what happened. All the stars aligned today. Oh man. Oh, these fans, I do not get enough. I'll never get over that. But just awesome, awesome birds. What a blessing. Super pumped about this. Gonna skin him up and eat him. Gonna make some turkey nuggets. So blessed, so pumped that I got all this on video too. Hope you guys love this. If you did, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe button for me. I'm trying to grow this channel a lot. If you don't follow me already, follow me on Instagram. I got 3.8 million on there, and TikTok as well. Caden McDonald, just my name is the username. Go check it out, but keep closing the gap. I appreciate y'all for watching.